y'all, welcome to Valley Soap's YouTube channel. Today we have another Brambleberry unboxing. This one I received a few days ago, but I'm just now having a day open for me to do this unboxing for y'all and show you what we have gotten. And I don't like to open the box before I actually do the unboxing. I like to share with y'all at the same time, so you'll get my first initial impression. So this is cool. Their candle collection. New colors, new waxes, new fragrances, and new vessels. They all look so pretty. Okay. And then we've got our little packing slip there. Set this to the side. So as always, we have this kind of packaging, and we have a bunch of fragrances to talk about. Alright, so we'll start with the littlest one. This one is a watermelon. So obviously that is going to smell just like watermelon. The description says it smells just like watermelon candy. There is no discoloration and it behaves well. That does smell just like candy. So with this soap, my idea is to do a soap that is going to be layered and look just like a slice of watermelon. So that's something we'll have coming up. Next one. Sea salt. I had gotten a bar of soap from another soaper and they called it black sea salt or something, but it smelled amazing. So I wonder if this is the fragrance they had used for that one. Take the tape off. But I'm planning to do another beachy themed soap, but it's also going to be something for the June birthdays out there. I'm going to do like pearls and stuff. So this will be a fun one. I don't know if I'm going to try the pointy layers method with this or not, since it'll have like ocean waves in that soap, but let's give this a quick smell. Okay, that smells good. I definitely smelled the cucumber water in there. So it says notes of black seaweed, accord, cucumber water, melon, green lily blossoms, dewy rose, and white tea leaves. I definitely smell the dewy rose. Yep. So no discoloration and behaves well for this one also. That's going to smell amazing. Next one, white tea and ginger. I think for all of these fragrances I got in this box, I already have a design mapped out for all of these. So I just need to get my bottom in high gear. Get some soaps made. Okay, so white tea and ginger. Says mix of bergamot, lemon, lily, ginger, nutmeg, peony musk. No discoloration, behaves well. Ooh. I can smell the lemon and the lily and definitely the ginger. Ooh, that smells good. Yeah, that's definitely a floral. But I wonder if it's got like half floral, half spa type fragrance, I feel like. Yeah, this smells really good. Okay, so I'm super impressed with all of my orders from Brambleberry. I haven't really ordered anywhere other than Brambleberry and Amazon lately, I was using places like Wholesale Supplies Plus and Nurture Soap, but I feel like Brambleberry at this point in time has just the most amazing fragrances. And so, you know, obviously to conserve money, you try to order from the same place instead of multiple shipping fees if you are ordering from different websites. This one is Lemon Lily Drop. I have a awesome summer themed soap for this one. Let's see. Ooh. That's almost like candy, like a touch of candy. Okay, well, let's read the description. Blend of lime, orange, lemon, lily, and verbena. Base notes of sugar, mint, and musk. Add a unique twist. Discolors to off-white, and it behaves well. Oh, that's going to smell so good. You guys, if you hear the baby in the background, he's awake for the morning. So he's in there just talking away like he usually does first thing in the morning. He's happy he got fed and changed and he's awake. He got a little bit of playtime with mommy, so you might hear him a little bit back in the background. He's just hanging out in his swing over there. Probably trying to figure out a way to get out. We've been having to buckle him into everything the last like month just because he's such a wiggle worm. Mahogany. Okay. Father's Day is coming up and I would love to try the wood grain look on a soap. So that's my plan for this one. Now I have to go and get a couple more squeeze bottles from like the dollar store, but I'm really hoping that the batter is going to stay fluid enough that I can get working time. So let's cross our fingers for this. In the meantime, I want to see what this one smells like. Ooh. Yeah, that's definitely a men's scent. Like, let's just spray this all over him. And then I can smell my boyfriend all day. Okay, it says notes of mahogany, lemongrass, and basil. Ooh. No discoloration and behaves well. How neato. That's very neat. Okay. Yeah, that one's going to smell good. I may even steal a bar of the mahogany soap just for myself. That smells really nice. Okay, on to the other goodies. Okay. I have been out of little droppers for like several months. So I'm finally getting some. So this is quantity of 50. So I don't think I saved any information on that. Nope. Okay. Alright, so now we have a few molds. It's been like my birthday every like order because I'm adding on molds and I don't ever purchase molds. So I'm excited about all of this. Oh, these are a lot bigger than I thought. These are these small 9-ball silicone mold, but I guess they are, yeah, they're like an inch in diameter, which is okay. I can just cut my bars just a little bit bigger than I normally would, but that's so big. I was expecting way smaller so I can make pearls. Like, look how big. That's okay though. It's always nice to have like a gumball mold, just so you can have a cute topper that will go with anything. And then as usual, this is a really good quality mold. I can already tell right off the bat. That's awesome. Okay, so we have that one. Okay. And I ordered another one of these. Some clear melt and pour. Okay, I don't know which one of these molds I'm most excited about, but I'm excited about all of it. So, I have officially awarded myself a column mold. Okay, it takes time to snap these on, but I got this. I got the round one. Yay! So now if I want, I can have circular bars. I can have round bars. So there's this method called the pull through method, where you basically get like something like a drain, like little piece, something you would like see in like your bathtub or something, but obviously not getting it from your bathtub, but you get like some kind of round piece, and it has like, you know, the different holes and different designs in it and stuff. But there's this one lady who makes the tool. Let's see if I can find her name and put her link in the description box below. But she actually makes them just for soap makers, and attaches them to a rod. So you start with it all the way at the bottom, you pour your soap in different layers and colors, and then you pull it through, and then what it does, it leaves a design in your soap. And I think that is just the most unique thing, because not any of your bars that you cut will have the same look. It's just really neat. Okay, yay, I'm so excited I got this. Okay, that's like a really big mold. And then the last mold I got is this citrus fruit mold. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, so these little triangular pieces are like raised. So when you pull the soap out, it'll have like an indent down there. So that is perfect. So what I'm going to do, the plan is with these for the lemon drop soap, for my summer soap, I'll make melt and pour lemons, and I'll kind of cut them up into like quarters or thirds or something, and then that can be like the topper on my soap. Yay! Awesome. And this is such a thick mold. This is awesome. Like, this thing is gonna last forever. Like, all of the Brambleberry molds, just, I am highly impressed with the quality of everything I get from Brambleberry. So that says a lot about them. Alright, so I'm going to pack everything up, and then I need to start getting my lye water ready for today, start portioning out my oils for my different batches, and I'm just going to get rolling. So I'm going to sit down, finish my tea first. Hopefully I'll have, hopefully I'll be able to get back up and work on all of this, because I'll have a full day ahead of myself. So I'm so excited I get to show you all these things I get from Brambleberry, just because it's very difficult purchasing something online that you can't put your hands on. Like, yeah, you can give measurements, but like, I don't do well with measurements. Obviously I had the measurements for this, but I still expected them to be like a quarter of the size. But that's okay. But it's hard to find a lot of people doing reviews, so you don't know what you're getting really, because you haven't laid eyes on it. You've seen the product pictures, but you just can't gauge. You can't gauge what the product is like and feel it. So I like to do these videos for other soapers who are considering buying, these same products. That way, they have an idea of what they're signing up for. So anyways, little man's over there talking a bunch, so takes after his mama. Haha. So I'm gonna leave you guys to it, and to it I mean a happy, wonderful day. We have beautiful weather here, so I'm excited to be done with soaping today so I can go hang out outside. It's always nice with fresh air, especially with the quarantine and isolation and all that going on. But anyways, alright, so you guys just keep an eye out for Saturday's video. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and if you would like to see more from me, hit the subscribe button, and then you'll be notified when the next video comes out. I love watching soapy videos. I will watch videos on YouTube all day long. I love subscribing to other people because you can never have too many things to watch, especially on your downtime. So, alright guys, I will see y'all on the next one. Bye!